What's going on, hybrid shooters? It's Jason Vong. Very excited to be announcing this. We're gonna be having a hybrid shooting workshop in Cuba. That's right, a 5-day workshop in Havana from August 30th to September 5th. Now, it's not every day you get to go to Cuba. You need to have a very specific reason to be there. But if you join us on this workshop, we'll make it easy for you to get there. So what's in this hybrid shooting workshop? Well, you got Scott Robert Lim teaching street and portrait photography. Now his is an actual class. I will be doing travel film there. With Scott, you will be learning how to shoot environmental portraits, how to shoot in difficult lighting situations, and how to shoot with one light to create amazing portraitures. Back in April, I rode with Scott to San Miguel de Allende in Mexico, and I learned a lot from him just shooting behind the scenes. I learned how to better compose a photo and learn how to shoot in harsh lighting conditions. So if it's anything like Mexico, there will always be 2 models there for you to shoot with. You'll be shooting during the day, you'll be shooting during the night. It'll be a great way to grow your portrait and street portfolio, especially capturing Cuba at the same time. As for me, I'll be doing travel videos there. I'll be shooting my own YouTube content as well, and you're more than welcome to ask me questions as I am doing it. Now, whenever there's downtime from Scott's class, you're more than welcome to roll with me and we'll go roaming around the cities to capture B-roll of Cuba. Again, we're there for 5 days. Feel free to ask me any questions about video making or even how to grow a social media following on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. If you have any technical questions, especially camera settings, flash settings, there will be tech reps there to assist you. It is going to be a lot of fun because you're gonna be there with a lot of like-minded people, fellow photographers, fellow videographers. You're gonna be creating a lot of new friends. You're gonna be collaborating with them during this trip. And you're gonna be learning a lot from me and Scott, and it's gonna really improve your photo and video game. The cost of this workshop is $2,995. This is the early bird special price. What this includes is a visa to Cuba. We'll take care of that for you. The flight from Fort Lauderdale to Havana. Double occupancy accommodations, meaning if you're coming with your significant other or your son or daughter or even a friend, you guys will be sharing the same room. Or if you're coming solo, you'll be bunking with a fellow hybrid shooter. Every day, the breakfast is included. We'll also have a farewell dinner at the end of the trip. Plus, any transportation to get us to a specific photo shoot location will be covered as well. If you have any questions about the Cuba trip, feel free to send an email to this address right here or call this number. But definitely more information about this Cuba trip is available via the RSVP link in the description box below. Oh, I can't wait for this Cuba trip. I hope to see some of you guys out there. For those of you who can't make it, there will be more local workshops coming up in the near future, so stay subscribed to this YouTube channel, hit that bell notification to be alerted when that would be, and I'll see some of you guys in Cuba and the rest of you in my next video. Peace.